Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. As you can see, we are opening up Vellabox. So Vellabox, if you do not know, is a candle subscription. It is delivered monthly. They have 3 different subscription options. We are opening up the Vellabox today. This is the highest tier. So for all of the boxes, I do have a code that works to get $5 off. So if you guys are interested in this amazing candle subscription, or if you're looking for a gift, definitely take advantage of that. I will link it down below. So I love Vellabox. I've been getting this for a long time now. I actually have last month's candle burning here. It's almost out. It's so good. I love it so much. But I love that they use local artisans throughout the United States, and also they make everything in a small batch, hand poured. It's free of any icky ingredients that a lot of cheaper, I don't know if cheaper is the right word, but like a lot of candles you can pick up like at the grocery stores and they just have some things in it that like release toxins into the air, and it's just not good for you. This company, Vellabox, does not do that. All their ingredients are natural. They're very sustainably packaged as well. And most importantly, the burn time is amazing. The smells are amazing. And you get to actually fill out a profile, scent profile, so you can customize your candles as well. So love Vellabox. Link below along with the code. Save. Oops, sorry for that loud noise. Let's get started. So I love that they do this now. They give you a Spotify, what am I talking about? Spotify playlist that goes along with the candle scent. Ooh, look, there's like sage there. It says, home is not a place, it's a feeling. Oh my gosh, I totally agree. This Must Be the Place is like one of my favorite songs that remind me of that for some reason. But yeah, you can scan this on Spotify. Why do I keep saying Spotify? Oh, it is Spotify. Huh. I don't know what I was saying. Oh, I said Shopify earlier. It is Spotify, the music. Sorry. My brain, I need some more coffee or something. But yeah, so we get that Spotify playlist, and our candle comes in a drawstring bag that you can repurpose. And each of the subscription plans comes with an extra little bonus gift, which is awesome. And here is a card that talks about the brand. So our featured maker is called Sunday's Child, and they are based out of Brewster, New York. And there's code here, Bella10, for 10% off their website, shopsundaychild.com. Let's see what it says here. After receiving a candle making kit for Christmas in 2019, Sunday's Child founder Katie Weninger quickly became obsessed with making her own scents. She was determined to create a beautiful, sustainable candle brand using only non-toxic and phthalate-free fragrances. Named after a poem her mother would read her when she was younger, Sunday's Child was born. Her candles are poured in small batches with 100% soy wax, grown in the USA because it's clean burning and safe for pets, kids, and you. Sunday's Child uses only the highest quality fragrances and leaves out any colorants or dyes. See, isn't that awesome? I love that. Oh my God, remember I was talking about sage? The candle I got is Sage Advice, and this is in the herbal scent category. And they have a QR code if you want to repurchase it. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna pull it out and then I'll read the description. And since smell-o-vision doesn't exist yet, you guys can just take a imaginary whiff in and hopefully get a sense of the scent through the description. Now let me get this out. Oh my God, how beautiful is the labeling. Sage Advice. So this is 16 ounces. And again, this is the Vivere plan, the $30 one, the top tier. So you can get, the fragrance notes are eucalyptus, sage, sandalwood, moss, and cedar. That sounds amazing. Seriously, how beautiful is this? I know I'm gonna love it already. Let me get the top off. Oh my God, it smells so freaking good. Okay, you guys, ready for the description? Take a little whiff in, and it says, cleanse your space and mind of any negativity with this soothing scent. An invigorating blend of herbal notes with the addition of warm sandalwood and amber that make it a lovely fall time burn. You guys, this smells so good. Oh my God. I just want to keep sniffing it. It smells so good. And now let's take a look at our extra. Ooh, nice. Essence 1 is the brand, and we have a hand and body lotion in the scent Morning Calm. It's 2 ounces. So smell good, feel good, do good. Let's take a little sniff of this. This smells really good too. Let's see what it says. So Essence 1, they're based out of Minneapolis, and it says here it has a $10 value, so that's awesome. You get a $10 product for free with your candle. Keep dry skin at bay this winter with this creamy moisturizing lotion. The Morning Calm scent is a combination of spearmint, bergamot mint, and patchouli to help you relax and recenter. Pure essential oils deeply soothe and replenish the natural oils of the skin. Your skin will feel hydrated without feeling greasy or oily. Awesome. And there's a code here, Vellabox 20 for 20% off their sites. Oh my god, you guys, I am so happy with this. I can't get over how cute it is. I love every month, seriously. Like, they're so good. And again, this isn't the only scent you get. You can fill out the profile, and there's some others on their website. I will link down below so you can check them out, and you can repurchase them. Like, isn't this beautiful? What a great gift. Seriously, candles are the way to go when you don't know what to give someone, and I can't believe it's that time of year, but it is, you guys. December, Christmas time, holiday season time is just right around the corner. Definitely recommend this if you're looking for a gift for someone hard to shop for, or someone that just loves candles and loves a monthly gift too. And you can just get like a 3 or 6 month gift too. So yeah, and they have a shop on their website as well if you want to check it out. Again, I will link Vellabox down below. Thank you, Vellabox, for sending me this. Thank you guys for being here and watching. I love you guys so much. I hope you are well. Let me know how you're doing. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Love you.